I bought the cheapest cool plate I could find online for my Bamboo P1S. This is supposed to be able to do PLA, PETG and even ABS. I'm definitely going to try it with PLA and PETG. Don't know whether to try ABS yet. But it was about £8 online. I don't know what that is in dollars. You'll have to work it out. But yeah, we'll give it a go and see how well it does. Just remove my existing plate. I'm going to pop this in and we'll give it a go. As you can see in the top left hand corner, selecting cool plate from Bamboo Studio. Super tacky cool plate is selected. Just slice in the file. Generic PETG is also selected, which will print from my ATAMS. It's now putting down the first layers. This is the first time I have printed PETG on this cheap cold plate, so it'll be interesting to see if it actually works and if it sticks okay. So far so good, seems to be sticking to the plate fine, but it's still early days, so we'll come back a little bit later and have a look. Well, it seems to be sticking really well to the build plates, considering this was a very cheap cool plate from AliExpress, only about £8. It's doing really well. Cool plate settings in Bamboo Studio, as you've seen. So yeah, so far so good. Looks like the fittings are finished printing, and now it's printing the main part, which is the bowl. This is a chicken feeder that goes onto the side of a bucket so chickens can get the corn out. I got another 3 to print yet. Obviously I won't show you that, I'll just show you this. Just basically demonstrating if this plate is any good or a waste of money, and so far so good. The PETG have stuck to the plate really well, nothing is lifted. So yeah, fingers crossed to the end, and hopefully we'll have a successful print on this new plate. As you can clearly see, it's printed really well. It is stuck to the plate really well. There's no lifting that I can see. No stringing, and this is PETG, generic PETG. So yeah, really pleased with the plate so far, especially for the price. It's just finished this 3.5 hour PETG print on this plate. That is stuck solid. You've only just finished mine, obviously you've got to let the plate cool down before you can get stuff off, but yeah, things are really sticking well to this plate, and like I said, it's a cool plate and it was only £8. So far very impressive. Much better than the Big Tree Tech plate I reviewed on my A1 Mini. I will leave a link in the top description to that video, because when I printed PETG on that, it was lifting in the corner with the same cool plate settings in Bamboo Studio. But this is printing really well. I'm shaking out quite a bit and it's solid, stuck to the plate. So I'm going to let the plate cool down now so it comes off easily. But yeah, very impressed. Better than the Big Tree Tech cool plate. Right, it's our chance to cool down now on this plate. As you can see, stuck incredibly well. Printed absolutely perfect with PETG. The threaded part fits. The threaded end fits. PETG, no stringing that I can see. So yeah, so far with that plate, really happy. So yeah, printed really well with the plate. Please leave a like if you like the video. Please subscribe, and hopefully I will see you on the next video. Thanks.